Owning a Chevy Colorado is awesome, but let's be real. Rolling around with an open truck bed leaves your gear at the mercy of the weather and sticky fingers. That's where a solid tonneau cover comes in clutch. It keeps your tools, camping gear, or whatever you haul safe, dry, and looking sharp. Today, we're breaking down the best tonneau covers for the Chevy Colorado. And hey, if you like any of these, I've dropped the product links down in the description. Check them out after the video. The Syneticusa ER Power is pure convenience meets strength. With a wireless remote, you can retract or lock the cover anywhere along the bed, making loading and unloading hassle-free. Built from heavy-duty aluminum, it supports up to 500 pounds evenly spread, while staying waterproof and dustproof. The low-profile, scratch-resistant finish adds style without bulk, and the T-slot rails let you throw on extra cargo racks if you need. This one's for folks who want tech, toughness, and weather protection all in one. The RealTruck TruXedo rocks a premium matte black fabric over aluminum slats, giving it both sleek looks and serious strength. It rolls up easily, installs in under 30 minutes without drilling, and provides full bed access without blocking your rear view. The extra latch at the center means your cargo stays locked down, and the dirt-resistant material saves you time cleaning. Made in the USA, it's a solid pick for style and convenience. The RealTruck BAKFlip is all about flexibility. This hard-folding cover lets you drive with it fully closed, flipped up, or folded, without blocking your third brake light. The aluminum panels with automatic latches provide strong security, while drain tubes and perimeter seals keep water out. Plus, it supports up to 300 pounds when spread evenly. If you're after full bed access without giving up protection, the BAKFlip has your back. The oEdRo tri-fold is budget-friendly but still tough. Made from double-layer PVC with UV protection, it's strong against sun and weather. It locks with your tailgate, turning the bed into a dust-proof, snow-proof trunk. Installation is straightforward with pre-assembled rails and clamps. No drilling needed for most setups. For the price, it's a sweet deal that balances durability, security, and ease of use. The Gator FX Hard Tri-Fold brings heavy-duty aluminum panels with a scratch-resistant finish, giving your truck bed solid protection. It sits flush for a clean, low-profile look and installs in under 30 minutes without drilling. With its water management system and seals, it keeps rain, snow, and dirt out of your gear. Plus, you can drive with it open or closed, making it a versatile pick. Made in the USA and backed by a 3-year warranty, it's tough to beat. The Tyger Auto T1. Soft roll-up is lightweight, simple, and dependable. Made from marine-grade vinyl with built-in crossbars for support, it rolls up easily for full bed access. The Velcro and latch lock system keeps it secure, while adjustable tension keeps it tight and wrinkle-free in any weather. Installation is quick, with no drilling required in most cases. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this one's perfect if you want affordability and ease without sacrificing reliability. So which cover's right for you? That depends on your style, budget, and how you use your truck. If you're hauling expensive tools daily, a heavy-duty aluminum option might be best. If you're more about casual use, a soft roll-up could save you cash while still keeping your stuff secure. No matter what, each of these covers helps keep your gear safe, your truck looking sharp, and your life a little easier. Don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you down in the description. And hey, hit that subscribe button for more straight-up gear reviews like this one.